Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews.
Woohoo!
I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room. And boy, oh, the things that have happened in this room this week. Lots of sewing. I got a lot of things accomplished. But I want to lead out by telling you that there is another video that I'm putting out today that is Friday Sews Day to Day. We all in the Friday Sews creators community, all of those who make the Friday Sews videos, we thought, oh, it might be fun just to do a daily vlog and then wind everything up, kind of tie it all up on Friday for Friday Sews. So it would be a hashtag Friday Sews Day to Day. So I did that, and it's a whole lot. It's a lot. And I didn't want to overwhelm you without all of that in just a regular Friday Sews video. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tell you that if you want to see the entire week of Today in Jen's Sewing Room, then watch that. And you'll get 6 or 7 days worth of in and out and running and coming and going and all of the things. So let me quickly recap for you what happens in that video. And that is that I made a little green tied hat for my grandson for a pumpkin costume, or just if he feels like wearing a hat. This is out of some t-shirt fabric. It is from McCall's 35-38, I think is what it is. I don't know. I'd have to look around here and see. And then I also made him another one out of fleece, and I made him a little pair of pants, and I made him a little sweatshirt all out of fleece. Oh, how cute is this kid gonna be? Can't you just see it? Oh man, he's cute as a button anyway. You know, he's the cutest. Of course he is. He's my grandson. So I worked on that. I made a cardigan and a pair of pajama pants for my daughter. And then I got started on a collab. Now I want to tell you about this collab because I am doing it with 2 fabulous people. These are really, really creative people that end up making fabulous things. Like if you watch their channels at all, you'll agree with me. It is Rebecca from Tribeca Designs, who was very nearly on Project Runway. I kid you not. You'll have to look through her videos and see. Actually, I'll link the one where she talks about it up there. And then Chilisa from Sochi Designs. And the creativity of this woman, the stuff she makes, it's just, oh my gosh. And all kinds of textiles too. That's both of them. They're like, you know what? This thing has been really expanding my brain capacity because our challenge is to upcycle something with metallic accents. So you have to take something, upcycle it using metal-ish sorts of things. Some metal, maybe some metal-ish, some metal looking, I don't know, shiny. I'm interpreting a lot of it as shiny. I cannot wait to see what they come up with because it's going to be mind-boggling. It really is. I mean, we're all going to look at this stuff and go, you did what with what? You did that with what? And like I say, my creativity has really, really been having to stretch and expand, and I feel so pushed by this challenge. It's wonderful. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so that's all I'm going to say about that. I will let you know that we're going to do the big reveal next Friday. So look for that then. In the meantime, it's all laid out in front of me because I'm working with it. It's kind of like, I try that. I don't know. You know, it's a lot of that. I want to tell you too that I found this little bit of rickrack in some stuff that I bought yesterday. By the way, yes, I'm wearing the same thing because I like this so much. I hadn't worn it in a while, and I thought it was too small, and it's not. And I just love it. I love this little vest. It's thrifted. Anyway, I went yesterday to Salvation Army. I was looking for some things for this collab, and I got a whole bag of rickrack and bias binding and trims and I don't know, various other things. And I found this. I thought it was rickrack, like baby rickrack, but I thought it was just all tangled. But what it turns out is somebody was making lace. Look at at that. I couldn't believe it. I started trying to pull it apart and I realized, oh, wait a minute, that's sewn together. And I just think that is so cool, because who knows if they were just going to stop there. I mean, they may have turned it and connected it more. And this is essentially what Battenberg lace is. It's pieces of fabric that are connected like that. What a find. What a treasure. With regard to life, just the same old, same old. It got cool here in Florida and now it's warming up again and I can go swimming. And yesterday I went to get my nails done and I was talking to Kathy, who is the wonderful woman who does my nails. I really like her. And she looked at me and said, did you get your hair cut? It looks so nice. You got your hair cut. I thought, what is this with everybody telling me that they like my haircut? Like, what haircut? Yeah, again. I would leave you with the question of the week, but I think that just telling you that we're doing this Friday Sews day-to-day thing is going to be enough. I'm going to leave you with my prayer card, like I always do. This is from 1 Corinthians 10:31, and it says, whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. That doesn't just mean when I feel like it, or when I'm feeling generous, or at Christmas, or Easter, or, Project Dress a Girl. It doesn't mean those times. It means all the time. Every stitch, every breath, every heartbeat, I owe to the Creator who made me. I owe all of that to Him. And so everything I do needs to be for His glory. It needs to be done in a way that makes people go, wow, what a God we have, and you are evidence, or that thing you just did is evidence. That's what I want. That's what I want. Gosh, I hope you want that too, because man, we need to encourage each other in that goal, don't we? And pray. I encourage you to go watch the hashtag Friday Sews Day to Day, not just mine, but everybody's. When you see that hashtag, have a look. Boy, it'll be a wonderful glimpse into the lives of the people who make these Friday Sews videos. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I truly do love you all. Take care. I'll see you next time. And thanks for watching.